Welcome to Earth. Today, we are counting down the top 10 most expensive dog breeds in the world. Their prices will surprise you. Starting off at number 10, the Pomeranian. Small in size but big in personality. This royal fluff ball can cost up to $1,500 in countries like US and UK. Next, the ever popular Labrador Retriever. Known for their loyalty and smarts. Labs can go for up to $1,500, especially in Australia and the USA. On number 8, we have Rottweiler. Muscular, fearless, and surprisingly gentle. Rottweilers can cost up to $2,500 in the USA. On number 7, we have German Shepherd. A hero in uniform and a loyal companion at home. German Shepherds are priced up to $2,500, especially if they're bred for working or show. On number 6, we have Golden Retriever, the ultimate family dog. It can reach price of $3,000 or more depending on pedigree and region. On number 5, we have Cane Corso, a powerful protector. The Cane Corso is a status symbol in the UK, with some costing over $4,000. On number 4, we have English Bulldog. They might look grumpy, but they came with a hefty price tag. English Bulldogs can cost up to $5,000, especially from champion bloodlines. On number 3, we have French Bulldog. Small, stylish, and social media famous. French Bulldogs are huge in demand. Their price? Up to $6,000 in the USA. On number 2, we have Samoyed. Nicknamed the Smiling Dog, the majestic Samoyed can cost up to $7,000. That cloud-like fur comes with a cloud-sized prize. And at number 1, the Tibetan Mastiff. This legendary guardian has been sold for $1.5 million in China, making it the most expensive dog ever. In India and the USA, a top-bred Mastiff still costs up to $6,000 to $10,000. From loyal Labradors to luxury Mastiffs, one thing's clear. Dogs are priceless in our hearts, but their price tags can be jaw-dropping. So which breed would you choose if money were no object? Comment below, smash the like button, and subscribe for more wild and wonderful facts.